On today's video, I want to show you about this affiliate site that pays. They are legit. If you want to be making 4,000 naira daily, 800 naira daily just by doing remote jobs on this site, then hit the link on the description of this video and register. And one good thing about this site is that once you refer anyone on this site, you will receive 4,000 naira immediately just by referring one person. Imagine a situation whereby you refer up to 10 persons a day. That is cool, 4,000 naira without stress. But if you don't want to refer people or you don't know how to convince people, this is the money I got after registration. You can also get money daily on this site just by doing remote jobs. Okay, when you perform tasks on this site, you will be paid. So how does it work? You hit on the link in the description of this video, you register. So once you register, you start performing tasks. On my next video, I will show you how to perform tasks because I don't really want this video to be too long. And if you are a new subscriber, please do not forget to hit the subscription button below and subscribe to my channel. The only way you can support me is just by subscribing, liking my videos and sharing them and commenting. And if you have any question, chat me up on WhatsApp. I am here to help you. Now, how does it work? When you hit on the description of this video, the link in the description of this video, it will take you to this site. You register with your full name, your email address, your username, your password. Then you confirm your password, your phone number, then coupon code. Now, for you to register, you have to register with 5,000 naira. Please, the 5,000 naira you are using to register is for your coupon, to generate a coupon code for yourself. Please, if you want to register, do not click on get coupon so that you will not get scammed. I will put the number of a legit vendor that sells coupon to you. I don't sell coupon, just as you are buying. That is also how I bought mine. I've tested it. I've seen the person that referred me to this site have earned more than 1 million naira just within 2 weeks. You too, you can earn that. She got that through referrals and by performing tasks. And you can withdraw your money daily. You can withdraw on Mondays, Wednesdays, and on Saturdays. That is the money you got from referrals. Let's say you referred 3 persons today. That is 12,000 because the minimum you can withdraw from referrals is 10,000 naira. Why the minimum you can withdraw from performing tasks is 25,000, and you withdraw that one from every 25th of every new month. Okay, so how does it work? For you to get this coupon code is in alphabetical order. I will put the number to the vendor that sells coupon in the description of this video. You chat her up, you make a one-time payment of 5,000 naira, send the screenshot to her through WhatsApp. She will give you a coupon code. You copy it and paste it here during registration. Once you paste it here, you tap on I agree to privacy policy, then you sign up successfully. Then in my next video, I will show you how you can start performing tasks and other things you need to know. I don't want this video to be too long. If not, I would have showed you here. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Okay, another thing is that okay, so let me log in. Another thing is that once you refer anyone, you will see the money here, affiliate balance. You will see 4,000 naira instantly. Then if you perform any job, you will see the money also here. You will see the money. You will see that here we increase. In my next video, I will show you how to perform jobs on this site. So why not start telling friends about it? The more you refer, the more you earn. Imagine you registered with 5,000, you bought coupon with 5,000 naira, then you referred someone and you got 4,000 naira. Anyone you refer, even if you refer 10 persons, each person you refer, you will be paid 4,000 naira. It's just affiliate marketing, and every one of us knows how affiliate marketing works. So it's legit. Know that everything I'm bringing on this channel, I've tested it and it's working. And please, if you are a new subscriber, do not forget to hit the subscription button. If you are If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscription button below. The only way you can assist and support me is just by subscribing to my channel so that we can grow together. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and comment. And if you have any question, please chat me up on WhatsApp on 08064960427. Please do not fall for scammers. Do not allow anybody to send you a private message telling you that they are selling coupon. Please just chat only the number in the description of this video. Thank you, and see you on my next video. Bye.